Hi, this is Mike at Fusco Orsini Associates, and this is FOA Client Package Spotlight number 10 on our DocuSign e-signature platform. Now, I understand that e-signatures are common nowadays for all different types of transactions, but we use ours in a unique way that whether it's a new policy, your policy servicing, or your renewal, we always send you information via e-signature. So why does this help? Well, no matter where you are, whether you're traveling, if you're on the road, you're working remote, you don't ever have to come into our office. We can do business nationwide, and you'll never miss a signature or a spot on the application because we make sure that all locations are marked and that the signatures are completed each time. It's also great for storage so that you can retain and gather your information if you ever need it for the future. So give us a call if you have any questions about our DocuSign e-signature platform, or if you're with an agency now that forces you to go into an office or sign paperwork and fax it back, or wet signatures and mail. We make it much simpler with our DocuSign e-signature platform. You can reach us at 858-384-1506, or you can email me directly at mike@foagency.com, and I'll connect you with an associate that can help you out. Thanks again for visiting, and we'll see you next time.